What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. So, sometimes maybe I could be a little bit petty, or I could look at a comment section and go, all right, this gives me some inspiration, something to talk about, something to maybe even complain about. And sometimes it goes where it's something positive and constructive and makes sense. And sometimes it's not. Right? Sometimes it doesn't make sense. I think this is kind of going to hover in the middle where it does make sense, but also maybe I didn't need to make a video about it. But I got a comment recently that stated this: you'd make more money shorting every token this guy says is going to pump. Jasmy, Trump, Kronos, the list goes on. Moving to XRP, moving to ADA or Avalanche or whatever the case may be, whatever the position actually is. And while I don't think that's entirely false, I do think that you're going to miss out on the larger opportunity, which is what we're all trying to talk about and all trying to do. So in this video, I want to talk more about this. Maybe be a little bit more constructive, but I never know because these are not scripted videos. So I'm not going off of any type of bullet points or anything like that. So it may go off the rails a little bit. So hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. If you guys want to check out my link for BTCC, please do so. This is a platform that I've been using for about 2 years at this point. You can get a 10% deposit bonus when you sign up using my link. You can get extra bonuses up to $10,055. You can enjoy up to 40% lower trading fees, all with no VPN and no KYC that's required. So definitely check it out. It is a great platform. You can trade up to a 250x leverage. Honestly, it really is good. I like doing somewhere around a 5x leverage, no more than really that, especially in markets that are, speculative markets that, you're not seeing the altcoin season. You can experience levels of growth, but you don't want to take on too much risk of a 250x leverage. But you can go ahead and do whatever you feel is necessary, whatever works for your strategy. But it is a really, really good platform. So definitely check it out if you guys are interested. Now, again, this screenshot here got me a little bit, right? This comment, you'd make more money shorting every token this guy says is going to pump. If you understand what has happened in the entire market, first, we can say XRP overall, and we'll talk about that because it's including XRP into this. So that's why the comment is, or the title is, just start shorting XRP. Well, let's talk about that. So if you look at the entire market, it's positive today. Things are great. If you decided to short when that guy said short, which was yesterday, you would have lost money, especially if you did it at a 250x leverage, you would have lost everything. If you did it at a 200x leverage, you would have lost everything. 50x leverage, you probably would have lost everything as well. So depending on what you actually invested into. But the point is that the market has gone up. You never really know exactly what's going to happen, and I've been subject to that. But if you look overall, if you shorted anything from the peak point, anything, you would have made money. It's simple to understand that if the market is going down, you can look at it and go, you can short everything. Yes, you could have shorted everything and you could have made money. In the short term, in the long term, you could have made money. It also fluctuated, so you might have lost money at times, but still, ultimately, the trend was going down, right? But if you are a person that's thinking now, I need money now, or I need gains now, yeah, make those moves that he's saying you can make, or they're saying you can make. But if you are a person that understands cryptocurrency and trying to get cryptocurrency to be way more mainstream, and when it is, it's worth a lot more, now you're in a different situation. I'm not telling you to buy right now and sell in the next day. I'm not telling you to buy and see it pump and then sell right after it pumps. Never said that. What I'm talking about is buying into a position, believing in that position, seeing it grow, and setting up an exit plan to where you can sell maybe a little bit shorter term. It doesn't have to be ultra long term, but it could be a year, it could be 2 years, it could be 3 years. But you can also see it play out for 5, for 6, for 10, for 20 years. And that's where the gains really come from. That's where the value that you can get from the crypto market can really come from. So just go ahead and sell, or go ahead and short all of your XRP. Go ahead and do what this person's saying. I'm not telling you to do anything. I'm not telling you to buy. I'm not telling you to hold. I'm not telling you to sell. I'm not telling you to short. But if you really think that that's the case, one person that liked it, go ahead. Short everything. Short XRP. See how that works for you in the end. Something that is going to be, in my opinion, the most valuable cryptocurrency in the market. Short it. Go ahead. It's at $1.08 right now. Saying that right now in a market where things stand at honestly close to their lows rather than their highs is the dumbest thing I have ever heard. And to say that, oh, if you would have just, reacted whenever I said anything was going to make a move at the peak point, if everybody knew when to do that, why are you not taking your own advice? My response to him or them, I don't know who they are. It's a big Al, or big AI. I don't know what letter that is. But either way, my response was, they said you'd make more money. Does that mean that you're not taking your own advice? That you didn't just short everything that I said because you don't believe in your own plan? That honestly is the dumbest thing you could possibly say right now in a market to where virtually everything is at a very, very low point. Is at a point to where if you decided to short or you decided to, believe in the negative side of things, you would eventually lose. You would lose very quickly versus winning very fast. Buying at these lows is the right thing to do. Shorting at these lows is crazy. XRP is at $1.08. It can go down to 50 cents again for sure. But even if 50 cents or $1.08 is closer to 50 cents than it is to $3, meaning that you have so much more room for growth. That's dumb to short at these levels. But if you can accurately predict where those high points are, go ahead. Feel free to short whatever you want. In the short term, you can make a ton. But ultimately, does that now take away your confidence in crypto when you decide to short everything in the market, when you decide to short an XRP and it gets down to $1.08 and you sold or rebought, I guess, if you're looking at it in the short fashion, you rebought at $2 rather than $1 and you made your money. Do you believe in it at $1? Do you then rebuy and see the long term in how XRP is going to be used? No, you don't. So you ultimately lose, even though you gained pennies. You sacrificed gaining pennies, or sacrificed gaining millions just to be able to gain pennies. That's how that looks. So my opinion is my opinion. You can take it or leave it, but that is the dumbest thing I've ever heard, is to say that right now, while things like XRP is at $1.08, while things like Solana is at an $80 price point, Cardano is at a 15 or 16 cent price point. SUI is sitting at a 73-cent price point. AVAX is sitting at a $6.74 price point. Kronos, 5 cent. OKB, whatever the position may be, all these positions are at not the lowest lows, but definitely low compared to where the midpoint, reasonable level, and even the high spot will be. The all-time high for anything. You're way far off. YFI. Yeah. If you could predict that those were going to be the lows, you can short whenever I said to go ahead and buy a position, because all the positions I currently hold are currently negative. Well, yes, all of them are currently negative. Does that mean that I don't believe in all of them growing back to being majorly positive? No, I'm closer to the lows than I am to the highs. Like, that's just how that makes sense. We haven't seen altcoin season. And when we see altcoin season, when we see things explode, it's going to be a whole different story. And then we're going to see all the positive comments, none of the negative comments, which I don't generally like because it doesn't really feed a ton of videos that I can make and conversations that we can have. But unless somebody's like, hey, I believe XRP can get to this level, then obviously that conversation's there. So, but anyways, Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. If you want to check out my link for BTCC, please do so. It'll be down there in the description. But I just thought that was interesting. Hopefully, I didn't go off on a tangent or this video made sense to you. But I just thought that comment was very interesting because I was like, now you're gonna say that? Like, you're saying for just shorting everything that we talk about? Like, I'm talking about things now. Are you saying you should short XRP now? Are you saying you should short Jasmine Coin or Terra Luna Classic now because of me talking about it and the fact that it's going to make moves? I mean, it's interesting. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.